Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the earbuds in case. Make sure both buds have charge and are in your hands. Once powered on, put them back into the case and keep the lid open. Now, press and hold the left and right earbud buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds to trigger pairing mode. You'll see LEDs flash. This step isolates the earbuds from any previous phone connections, so the reset can clear stored pairings and settings. Now you perform the actual reset. Keep the case lid open and press both earbud buttons for about 15 seconds. This is longer than pairing, so be steady. As you hold, the LEDs will flash in a distinct pattern. Pay attention, because that confirms the reset command registered. Once the lights go off and then power up again, release the buttons. This clears saved pairings and returns firmware settings to defaults, which fixes many persistent audio or connectivity issues. Finish by reconnecting. Close the case, reopen it, and remove the earbuds to enter pairing mode as if new. On your device, turn Bluetooth on and select Jabra Elite 75T from the list. Make sure the Jabra Sound Plus app is not interfering. If pairing fails, charge both earbuds and the case for 30 minutes, then repeat the reset steps. Sometimes low battery stops the process. If problems persist, reboot your phone and try again before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.